Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Beautiful viewers, welcome back to another informative sewing tutorial. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create an instant hijab. Let's jump right into the tutorial. The front opening measures 15 inches while the back is 22 inches. For the face circumference, I used 10 inches. Right under the face circumference, come down by 2 inches. Starting from the center top, create a slant down to the marked 2 inches, and below the 2-inch mark, make another slant down to the fabric tip as shown in the video. At this point, I would love you to give a very close look in order not to get confused. At the tip end, move up by 3 inches along the initial slanted line, then curve down to the fabric's back end. The purpose of doing that is to achieve a round but not a sharp end of hijab. Cut along the markings and notch at the center front of the fabric. Let's set this aside and proceed to the cap part of the hijab. This pre-cut piece of fabric has already been folded into half. Let's confirm the measurement required. Fold into another half, forming a rectangle shape. Then create a slanted line and cut through both layers. Align the right sides of each piece. Now let's start sewing. Attach the cap to the body of the hijab, which I've already done here. Then I proceeded to close the neck part. You can as well top stitch for a clean finish. This is totally optional. This hijab is smart and perfect for every occasion, especially if you don't want something bogus. You can wear this casually or wear it on office dresses. In fact, this is perfect for sport activities. This hijab was made for my daughter and she wears it on her school uniform. For the bottom part of the hijab, I'll be folding in twice. Then I adjusted my machine into number 3, which is the zigzag design. This design adds a neat and professional touch to the finishing of your work. Thank you all for watching, and if you are just joining for the first time, thank you for tuning in. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload new video. And if you have any question pertaining this tutorial, I will be in the comment section attending to you. And inshallah rahman, I will see you in my next video. Bye.